Get ready for an exciting journey as we dive into the world of Sunscape Coco Punta Cana, a tropical paradise nestled in the heart of the Dominican Republic. This all-inclusive resort is a haven for families, couples, and solo travelers alike, offering a perfect blend of relaxation and adventure. So, grab your virtual sunscreen, and let's explore this Caribbean gem together. Let's start with the accommodations, shall we? Sunscape Coco Punta Cana boasts an impressive array of room options to suit every taste and budget. From the cozy deluxe tropical view rooms to the luxurious swim-out Sun Club Junior Suites, there's something for everyone. Picture yourself waking up to breathtaking views of lush tropical gardens or crystal-clear pools right from your private balcony. The rooms are spacious, ranging from 446 to 600 square feet, and come equipped with all the modern amenities you'd expect from a top-notch resort. We're talking air conditioning, mini bars, Wi-Fi, and even coffee makers in some rooms. Because let's face it, sometimes you need that caffeine kick before hitting the beach. And speaking of beaches, did I mention that some rooms offer stunning ocean views? Talk about waking up in paradise. Now, let's talk about the most important part of any vacation: the food. Sunscape Coco Punta Cana doesn't disappoint when it comes to culinary delights. With a whopping 13 dining options, you could eat at a different place every day for almost 2 weeks. Fancy a juicy steak with a side of ocean views? Head to the Blue Water Grill. Craving some authentic Asian flavors? Chopsticks has got you covered. And for those nights when you're feeling a bit more sophisticated, why not try the Italian specialties at DeMario? But wait, there's more! The resort also offers a 24/7 snack bar at Coco Cafe, perfect for those midnight munchies. And let's not forget about the pizza shop and the snack machine, because sometimes you just need a slice of pizza by the pool. The best part? It's all included in your stay, so you can indulge to your heart's content without worrying about the bill. Speaking of pools, Sunscape Coco Punta Cana is practically a water wonderland. With 6 pools spread across the resort, you'll never be far from a refreshing dip. There's even a dedicated children's pool for the little ones to splash around safely. But the real star of the show is the beach. Picture soft, golden sand stretching as far as the eye can see, kissed by crystal-clear turquoise waters. It's the kind of beach that postcards are made of. And the best part? You don't have to lift a finger. Just plop yourself down on a lounger, and the attentive staff will take care of the rest. Fancy a fruity cocktail while you work on your tan? Coming right up. Want to try your hand at some water sports? The resort has got you covered. From kayaking to snorkeling, there's no shortage of aquatic adventures to be had. But Sunscape Coco Punta Cana isn't just about lounging by the pool or beach. Oh no, this resort takes the all-inclusive concept to a whole new level with its impressive array of activities. Fitness enthusiasts will love the state-of-the-art gym, while those looking to unwind can indulge in a pampering session at the spa. And let's not forget about the entertainment. From live shows to dance lessons, there's always something happening at this lively resort. Want to learn how to mix the perfect mojito? Join a cocktail-making class. Feeling lucky? Try your hand at the casino. The possibilities are endless, and boredom is simply not an option here. Now let's talk about the little ones. If you're traveling with kids, you're in for a treat. Sunscape Coco Punta Cana goes above and beyond to ensure that even the youngest guests have the time of their lives. The Explorers Club for Kids is a paradise within paradise, offering supervised activities for children aged 3 to 12. From treasure hunts to arts and crafts, there's never a dull moment. And for the teens? The Core Zone Teens Club has got them covered with video games, social events, and even a disco. It's like a mini vacation for the kids, giving parents some well-deserved relaxation time. And the best part? It's all included in your stay. Now that's what I call a family-friendly resort. But what if you want to explore beyond the resort? Well, you're in luck because Sunscape Coco Punta Cana is perfectly situated to take advantage of all that Punta Cana has to offer. Just a short drive away, you'll find the stunning Hoyo Azul, a natural blue lagoon that looks like it's straight out of a fairy tale. Nature lovers will appreciate the Punta Cana Ecological Reserve, where you can explore pristine forests and lagoons. And for a fun-filled family day out, Manatee Park is just a stone's throw away. offering up-close encounters with dolphins, sea lions, and, of course, manatees. The resort can help arrange tours and transportation, making it easy to explore the best of Punta Cana. Now, let's talk about what really sets Sunscape Coco Punta Cana apart from other resorts. Its unique selling points. First off, there's the Sun Club. This exclusive area offers enhanced amenities and services, including a private lounge, premium drinks, and even a separate pool area. It's like a VIP experience within an already amazing resort. Then there's the sheer variety of dining options. With 13 restaurants and bars, you could eat somewhere different every day for almost 2 weeks. And let's not forget about the recently completed renovations in 2023. The resort has undergone a major facelift, ensuring that everything from the rooms to the common areas is fresh, modern, and Instagram-worthy. But what about the overall guest experience? Well, the proof is in the pudding, or in this case, the reviews. With an impressive 4.5 out of 5 rating on both Booking.com and TripAdvisor, it's clear that Sunscape Coco Punta Cana is doing something right. Guests rave about the friendly staff, the clean facilities, and the sheer variety of activities and dining options. One guest on Booking.com gushed, "The staff was incredibly friendly and accommodating. The food was amazing, and the pools were fantastic. Of course, no resort is perfect, and some guests have mentioned that the rooms could use some updates. But with the recent renovations, even these minor gripes are being addressed." For those planning corporate events or dreaming of a destination wedding, Sunscape Coco Punta Cana has got you covered. The resort boasts impressive conference facilities, perfect for business meetings or large-scale events. Imagine giving a presentation with the sound of waves in the background. Now that's what I call a productive work environment. And for couples looking to tie the knot in paradise, the resort offers a range of wedding packages. From intimate beach ceremonies to grand ballroom affairs, your dream wedding can become a reality here. In conclusion, Sunscape Coco Punta Cana is more than just a resort. It's a destination in itself. With its stunning location, impressive amenities, and commitment to guest satisfaction, it's no wonder that visitors keep coming back year after year. Whether you're a family looking for a fun-filled vacation, a couple seeking a romantic getaway, or a solo traveler in need of some R&R, this resort has something for everyone. So why wait? Start planning your tropical escape to Sunscape Coco Punta Cana today. Trust me, your future self will thank you. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our Best Hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.